the distance there, but we've got this absolutely amazing inversion going on. Let me just see where I'm walking. Oh my god, but we got the colour as well.
So before I go any further, I've been processing this video and it's way too long, so I'm going to do 2 episodes, one of the scouting and then one the morning after. Please watch both, they're well worth the watch. Okay, let's get stuck into it. Hello and welcome. Today we're out scouting, ready for tomorrow morning. Now it's a place in the Peak District I've never been, wanting to come for a long time. So today I've decided, fingers crossed from a little bit of atmosphere in the morning, if not, so be it. But I've had to come this afternoon because I haven't got a clue about parking, where to go, where to walk, etc, etc. There's no way I would have found it in the morning without wasting time and then rushing and doing. So the right thing to do was to come today. So I thought I'll do that, get set up, have myself a brew. I've got a couple of, about 3-4 hours yet before sunset, so I'm actually going to have myself a cup of tea, have half an hour, and then going to go a nice steady stroll up there and sing with Stanton Moor. And there's actually 2 stone circles here, so I'm going to search them, but really it's to go and have a little scout trial. I'm not really interested in photographing the circles, but I might do if they're interesting to photograph. But it's more the woodland and silver birch, etc, that's around this area. So that's what I'm going to do. And I've got two gadgets to help me with warmth. Well, one is going to help me to feel a bit cooler, but one is going to keep me warm. Now tonight it's supposed to go quite chilly for end of September, beginning of October. It's supposed to go quite chilly tonight, so I'm looking forward to trying that later on tonight as I walk up the hill, and then tomorrow morning. And the other thing, I know it's strange, but it's going to keep me cool when I was driving along, and that's a new phone adapter for my for the van to put my phone on. And the reason why it's going to keep me cool is because it protrudes away from the air vent, and it's an air vent fixed, and it fixes quite well, then a magnetic fixing for the phone. It opens up the air vent because it protrudes, where the one before was flush to the air vent, so when I was going along I couldn't feel any air coming through if I got warm or cold. So that's going to help me out, and it has done on the way here. And then the next thing is I've also been sent this, and it's a Go Cozy body warmer. I've always wanted one of these, and I can't wait to try it. It comes with a power bank, or this one does. I've chosen for the grey and black as what the 2 different models. And I can't wait to try it, to be honest, because I suffer with the cold. This could be an absolute game changer. Might be too warm at the minute, but I'm not kidding you, it's a bit fresh. Maybe when I get walking I'll probably get a bit warm, and then later on as it settles I'll probably get cold and bang this bad boy on. So there's 2 things. One, yes, weird with the heat, but it works, and that's the bracket. And the other one is because it's going to warm my body up, or keep it cool maybe even. So who knows? So I've decided I can't wait. Get up there, have me a little Welsh cake, have that, get me up there, a couple of Nutri-Bars in there, a bit of water. Let's go and have a look. Even if I come back down and go up again later on, if it's not that far. I don't know how far it is, so could be up there till sunset, or I could come back down and go again. We'll see. And it is nippy, it's nippy, so the body warmer is coming on. Comes in a real nice pouch actually. Instructions. Little pouch for the power bank. Hopefully I've charged it up. Hey, is that all right, what? That's not bad. There's a little pouch here with the gubbins in. Oh, that's just the charger lead, and then plug it in to the vest, and then we shall put it on if we need it. I think there's actually 2 USB ports as well, so I wonder if you could use it as a power bank. I'm sure you could. Now there is a car park just down the road here with quite a few campers in and what have you, so they're stopping the night, no doubt about it. But I'm hoping to stop here because of my knees. I want to get as close to the walk as possible, which will make my life easier. But worst, I can just go down the road here and I'll get a spot later. I know I will. And looks like a little cut through to a pub. Let's go. So first impressions are, why the hell haven't I been here before? It's just finding the right place now. I'm heading towards a woodland of silver birch, but what's nice about it, by the look of it, it's quite open. It's quite a vast area of silver birch as well. Fantastic. I'm in the moorland part now, and I've already grabbed one shot, but not sure if it worked, to be honest. And there was a tree in the distance there. I thought I'd try it and see. I'm not sure.
I quite like it.
But this woodland we got coming up looks absolutely bloody brilliant. In the right conditions, as they always are, it would be phenomenal. Now we've got the 9 Sisters down here. I think that's where I'm heading. Circle stone area. Look at the view behind, it's just spectacular.
You wait till tomorrow.
You're not going to see it on that. It's just amazing. And it's quite a popular area, but as you can see, I'm still on my own, which is great. I've walked past half a dozen people. It's at the weekend. It's fantastic. But like I say, I could see some characters now. Some of the trees, all this heather. God, in the August time with the heather. Wow, this would have been amazing. But this silver birch, there's one here that's in the middle of all these and the light's hitting it. Might get a shot. That's really nice. With the dark clouds behind. That's really nice. I'm going to get a shot. Got plenty of time. There's another one.
Go on, get a shot.
There's another one. Okay. Let me grab a quick shot of this and we move on again. I've got plenty of time to kill. I've got plenty of time. There's no rush at all. So, put you down here. And I'm going to get a shot of this silver birch with the light hitting it. It's actually 2 real interesting ones. That's why it's worth getting the tripod out. Light on it, that dark sky in the background. I need to rush a little bit. Let's see how it turns out. If it turns out any good, I'll show you it now. So obviously I'm doing a bit of scouting. I've come to the 9 Sisters, which is just beyond me, the circle. What's fantastic. It's not something I'd expect to photograph.
but there is an image there, definitely. But we've got one or two lovely characters around this area. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. This is a place where I'll probably come to unless I find anywhere better walking around in the morning, because I like some of the characters. These couple, I think there's actually one or two oaks in between it all. Hopefully with a bit of atmosphere or a bit of light. Wow! And I think it's going to be more in the morning, I must admit. So I might still grab a couple more shots. I'm pretty much going to do a circular route by the look of it. Look at these here. Interest here. It's a shot. Just one stopped. Not got it switched on yet, but we'll switch it on by holding down one of the buttons so many seconds. Then we got, so we can eat the front and the back, and there's 3 different settings: low, medium and high. And I think at high it lasts 3 hours, at low I think it maybe lasts about 11 hours. Is that fantastic? 3 hours is fantastic on high. This could be a game changer for some night photography, something like that. They even keep your hand warm. It just be, which is really is a game changer. I know it's silly, but do you think I look good? No? Okay, let's move on. Okay, I've come a walk and had a minute looking down this little bit of a quarry here by looking at it. Just round the other side of this tree, it looks great. I think I'm going to grab a quick shot because the side light looks fantastic. And the leading line in this bit of a pathway really works. I think it's quite nice. It blends in a little bit to the right, but there's colour separation there. Might work. I think for me, it's probably going to be a portrait shot for now, just because of that sky. So we get that lovely leading line going up to it. Focus on the, just before the tree I'm going to focus at f11, just to get as much of it in as I can. It's just going to be one shot bracketed, one shot bracketed. This would probably be my favourite place in the August time with the heather, because the heather is everywhere. It really would look fantastic. The other time it would look unbelievable. It's in the snow. The problem I think you'd get it is getting here to park in the first place. The roads are very, very narrow, single track roads. So, still not mad about, actually, I've been chatting to a Vanlifer who I met earlier when I parked up in the main car park, and just spent a load of money for him. Night heater, everything, all the advice, as you do. But I've come across this tree, which I've seen on the internet. If you search Stanton Moor, you will come across a photograph of this tree. Now this tree, it's a little oak tree, and it's obviously been battered by the wind that must come over from here. And I thought, well, I'm going to try and get a couple of images anyway. Ideally, you want to get down so low, you need to be on the ground. So I need to take the middle of the tripod off, get it right low, and get so low you're literally on the grass, or even rest it on a bag on the grass or something like that to get separation underneath. Or you need real good atmosphere. It's a fantastic tree. I thought I'd try it. Would work both sides. You've got that lovely lean over from both sides, so depending on the light it would work either way. So we just need to get down low to get that real down low, which is nearly on the grass, but just get that bit of separation. Or then the other way we're going to get separation is through atmosphere and light. So maybe for another day, but it's a fantastic little oak tree. I better just go over this this jacket that's been sent to me. To switch it on, we just hold for so many seconds, and the two different buttons is for front and back. I like the idea of warming the pocket area up, obviously, to keep your hands warm. Red is on full, white is low, medium, and then high. So it's quite easy. This is the first time I've literally switched it on, so I'm still in the van at the moment. I just thought I'd show you that before we crack on. Might look a bit weird at the night with someone walking towards you with red eyes or white eyes or blue eyes. But let's see what it's like. Let's whack it right up and see if it'll keep me warm. It's a little bit fresh out there, so this will be nice. It'd be nice to see what it's like on the hands as well, because like I say, this could be perfect for me because I do get cold hands, even if I just work the front of the vest. But yes, I'm quite looking forward to this. Quite looking forward to using it and just see how good this bad boy is.